Thutha wa gukorwo ikigerio kwa ihinda ria mieri 3, umuthi mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni ahingurire barabara ya Nairobi Expressway niguo kuhuthika ni muingi. Ino ari gatagati ga tabarira cia muthia iria mutongoria wa bururi kuruguria kiumia giki mbere ya githurano kiumia twerekeire. Uhuru ni eraheire tabarira cia waki wa barabara iria thirikari yake ikinyanirie, akiuga waki wa barabara ino ni kionereria kia ngwataniro njega ya kiwira gatagati ga thirikari na honge cia andu kiumbe.
Indeed, this is the first PPP road project in Kenya. The Nairobi Expressway marks the government's pivot towards leveraging private capital to bridge our infrastructural deficit.
Barabara ino ya uraihu wa kilomita 27 ikoretwo ikigerio niguo guthinga mianya iria ingihinga mihango ya ukui, na ona gutuika ihinda-ini riri kuri mitino ya barabara irahanikire, thirikari yugite matanya mayo ni makinyanirio.
During this trial period that has just come to an end, we have exceeded the number of vehicles that were expected by a higher margin, meaning that the returns from this project may be even achieved much sooner than had previously been projected.
Hau kafere muhatikano wa gari taunini ya Nairobi uracungagiriria kura kwa mamilioni ma mbeca. Barabara ino igitanywo kuhonokia mahinda maingi maria moragira muhatikano-ini wa gari, na oho kuhingura sekta ingi ta iganda na ugendi, na uguo guthondeka mieke ya mawira.
Since we opened the roads for public trials in April, it now takes between 15 to 24 minutes to drive all the way from Mulolongo in Machakos County to Rironi in Kiambu County. Before the expressway, that would have been a journey that would take at least 3 hours.
Thutha wa kuhingura barabara ino, mutongoria wa bururi uria uma hamwe na maafitha angi thirikari-ini ari hamwe na minister wa ukui James Macharia mashokire kuhingura barabara ya Eastern Bypass.
That road is part of what we call the Great North Road, which starts from Cape Town to Cairo, meaning, Excellency, Kenya now is well connected in terms of infrastructure.
The broader relationship between China and Kenya has reached new heights unmatched in history, bringing tangible benefits to our two countries and peoples. Our fruitful and wide-ranging practical cooperation stands out in China-Africa cooperation. China always appreciates Kenya's invaluable support wherever China's interest is concerned.
Barabara ino inyitithanitie barabara ya Mombasa Road na Thika Road mwena wa Kamakis, igituikania Utawala, Ruai, Ruiru, na onayo yari mubango-ini wa thirikari guteithiriria kunyihia muhatikano wa gari taunini ya Nairobi. Handũ-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.